Hi, and welcome to The Consultant, your go-to channel for everything related to build a successful career. Today, we are diving into the most crucial aspect of being a consultant and build your personal brand, which is really important. In today's competitive market, having a strong personal brand isn't just an asset, but a necessity. But why? Why is it so important? As a consultant, your personal brand is your reputation, practically your ID. It is what sets you apart from others in your field of work and makes clients choose you over the competition. Remember, a well-crafted personal brand communicates your expertise, your vision, and the unique value you are bringing to the table. It helps you build trust, recognition, and good professional relationships. This makes your experience much more easier, and it will help you attract the right clients and opportunities. So, how do you start building your personal brand as a consultant? How do you reach the level nationally, internationally? Here are some steps you can apply right away. Step 1. Define your niche. First, identify your niche. What specific area of consulting you're specialized in? For example, marketing, HR, finance, tech, and any other. Step 2. Craft your unique value proposition. Define what makes you unique, what you have that others don't. Your value proposition should be the cornerstone of your personal brand. Step 3. Build an online presence. In today's digital age, your online presence is the golden key leading to many doors. Build a professional website and a LinkedIn profile. For example, make sure you clearly communicate your brand message regularly through blogs, articles, and videos. And don't forget to showcase your portfolio. Step 4. Engage with your audience. Building a brand isn't just about broadcasting your messages. It's about engaging with your audience, respond to comments, and network with peers. The more you engage, the more you raise your visibility. Building a personal brand takes time and consistency. It's not something that happens overnight, but with dedication, the results are awesome. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed.